Tired of manually fulfilling dropshipping orders and juggling suppliers? Let's automate that. In this video, I'll show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. Unlocking automated order fulfillment and direct product sourcing. This integration will significantly streamline your business and reduce your workload. First, log into your CJ Dropshipping account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. It's free and easy to do. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the authorization button, typically found on the left-hand side menu or at the top of the screen. Click on it. On the authorization page, you'll see a list of platforms you can connect to. Find the Shopify logo and click the Authorize button next to it. You'll be redirected to Shopify. Log into the Shopify store you want to connect to CJ Dropshipping. Ensure you are logging in with the store owner account. Shopify will ask you to grant CJ Dropshipping permission to access your store data. Review the permissions carefully and then click Install App. Once the app is installed, you'll be redirected back to CJ Dropshipping. You should now see your Shopify store listed as an authorized store. You can now import products directly from CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it will automatically be sent to CJ Dropshipping for fulfillment, saving you tons of time and effort. That's it. You've successfully connected CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. Now you can focus on growing your business, not fulfilling orders. Good luck.